Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for every man. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Here's a tool that lets you clean the charging port of your iPhone or iPad without damaging the device. With its star-like design, this thing includes many tools in one body. Start up by removing lint hair and dust. The pick tool and loop brush will do that with ease. Then you need to apply the included conductivity solution both on the port and your lightning cable. Tool number 5 is meant to repair the damaged pins on your connectors. So you don't need to buy a new cable. And on top of all that, there's a special brush for your speakers, microphone and switches. Plus you get an included microfiber cloth for your screen. Here's the most compact touchpad and remote control that works with all your devices. When you're at work, it connects to your laptop or tablet and acts as a regular mouse. The touchpad supports various gestures like scroll, zoom and slide up, and then you can flip the switch, turning this thing into a great remote and laser pointer for your presentations. Once you're back home, you might also use the gadget to control your TV. This thing doesn't need a receiver. It connects via Bluetooth with a 33-foot range. Most importantly, thanks to its tiny size, this thing is incredibly easy to carry. This multifunctional pen can replace an entire toolbox. It brings an ultimate set of 9 tools that are needed on a daily basis. Starting with a sharp box cutter, ruler and tubular level, and of course you'll need a couple of screwdrivers. Both Phillips and flathead are included. Okay, what else do we have here? A file, yup, a bottle opener, absolutely indispensable. Plus there's an integrated stylus for your devices and the actual ballpoint pen. All this stuff somehow fits the sleek and compact all-metal body. Changing the refills might seem a bit complicated. But hey, you have a screwdriver in there. This is the brightest flashlight in the world, delivering up to 100,000 lumen output. It's so powerful that there's a combined cooling system. But of course you can dim the light depending on your needs. And you still get a rugged all-metal design that isn't afraid of rain and dust. Don't let snow ruin your plans. This shovel is made to clean your car and the road even in the harshest winter. Unlike a regular shovel, this one has a dual handle design that makes it easier to clean the snow and dirt from your windows and doors. These soft rubber wings quickly push the snow without leaving any scratches. And if there's some ice underneath, the wide blade turns this thing into a perfect scraper. The shovel's really compact, so there are many ways to store it, but at the same time this thing is tough as it gets. You can actually drive over it, plus the built-in reflectors make sure you're always visible to other drivers. And this black suitcase might easily replace a dozen different survival tools. There's so much stuff inside, from a 400 lumen flashlight to a tactical pen, emergency blanket, and reliable 3-inch folding knife. The paracord survival bracelet is also stuffed with a compass, emergency whistle and a fire starter. But you'll probably prefer using the larger ferrule rod with a nice PVC handle. The stainless steel scraper doubles as a ruler and bottle opener whenever you need to cut a few branches. The included wire saw will do that with ease. And on top of all that, you get a 15-in-1 multi-tool that's the size of a credit card. It combines a variety of wrenches and screwdrivers along with a can opener and saw blade. Awesome.
Louisville Ladder's advanced technology brings you the cross-step ladder. It combines a shelf and step ladder for a 2-in-1 combination, made to take on multiple placement locations. This patent-pending ladder is available in 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 feet. It carries a Type 1A duty rating with load capacities of 300 pounds. Regular step ladders shouldn't be leaned against a wall, but the cross-step's shelf design, with its unique top features and innovative locking mechanism, allows for positioning against a wall, building, or pole. When unlocked, this shelf ladder now sets up as a step ladder. The angles of the step ladder allow the capability to get in closer to the work area. The cross step comes with a Pro top with magnet and V-shape. It allows quick and easy access to your tools and workspace. It also provides a stable working area when being used. The V-shaped top allows the ladder to be placed on corners and poles. The non-marring rubber tread protects the work surface and creates a non-slip grip when placed on buildings, walls, and inside corners. The H-bracing feature is available on the 8, 10, and 12-foot models to provide more stability when working at higher heights. This series comes equipped with Louisville Ladder's patented shocks and the new Raptor boot. This slip-resistant heavy-duty tread is bonded to the boot, so it increases the stability of the ladder, and the upper boot protects the fiberglass railing. Other important safety features of the Cross-Step series include spreader braces on the inside for protection during transport. Every step has a slip-resistant treading, heavy-duty reinforcements, and double rivets. Wide-back braces along every step provide rigidity for the ladder. The Cross-Step series, the newest step in innovation from Louisville Ladder.
Introducing DOS Free Talk, a portable audio device for teleconference. It's simple to set up, and its small size and elegant design make it a perfect match for your office working deck or home. Magnetic levitation speaker and full-range microphones capture voices from all directions within 3 meters. The full duplex audio technology ensures smooth, clear audio quality. Thanks to the custom DSP algorithm and AEC technology, the DOS Free Talk speakerphone optimizes your voice in real time, allowing everyone to be heard without background noises and echoes.
What updates do we have with the new project?
Hello, Jane. We are finishing the master plan.
The communication planning is completed.
Great! Can't wait to see it.
Featuring a USB Type-C connection for charging and pairing devices, a built-in wireless charger that charges your phone during a call, and a Bluetooth connection for quick pairing. You can also use the DOS Free Talk as a portable speaker to listen to music or watch videos. DOS Free Talk is easy to use and manage. With its portable design, having a good, stable conference is now possible no matter where you go. It also comes with a travel case that easily fits in a bag.
Meet Vessel Camp Supplies. It contains 70 pieces of essential gear, all perfectly organized into 8 neatly labeled screw-top containers and housed inside an indestructible, waterproof LED light. Each Vessel Camp is completely watertight and made from military-grade aluminum, keeping all the gear inside secure and dry. Vessel Camp Supplies, the world's most versatile outdoor adventure kit. It will change how you prepare for outdoor adventures forever.
The most functional travel bag ever. Don't think so? Keep watching. I want to share our journey with you, but with 20 plus noteworthy features and more than a year of development and relentless prototyping, I'm going to have to talk fast. Here it goes. First, we studied the market. Current travel bags were good, but not great. So we said, let's create the most functional travel bag ever. We met with local industrial designers and then traveled halfway around the world to talk with material and bag manufacturing experts. After testing hundreds of materials, reviewing tons of hardware, and learning to drive a 3-wheeled car, yep, that's me, the first prototype was made. And we said, it's not good enough yet. Many long days, late nights, and 20 plus prototypes later, we have finally created the most functional travel bag ever. The Nomadic Travel Bag. The bag is made of strong, waterproof tarpaulin material that will last forever. And at 21 by 14 by 9 inches, this bag meets international carry-on standards. Easily switch between backpack and duffel bag and never have dangling straps again. We added a separate compartment to keep your shoes separated and protected. A similar pocket can be found on the top of the bag, designed to easily store socks, underwear, a light jacket, and other items you like to keep organized or accessible. We designed the bag with a full perimeter zipper to give you the widest opening possible for optimal packing and easy access to the interior of the bag. Once the top and bottom pockets are packed, there is still plenty of room inside the bag for all of your clothing and toiletries. By adding a laptop and tablet pocket, you can now choose if you want to leave your briefcase or laptop bag behind to fit everything in one bag. The right side of the bag also has a full perimeter zipper with multiple features inside. First, an RFID safe pocket, designed to be durable and lined with RFID blocking material to protect your credit cards, passports, and other scannable information. Second, there is a combination of mesh, fleece line, and zipper pockets to keep your cords, power banks, earphones and other miscellaneous items untangled and right where you want them. Back to the top of the bag. Our easy access pocket on the top of the bag is also lined with a soft fleece to protect your everyday valuables, phone, glasses, etc. We've also added a water bottle pocket lined with waterproof materials to keep your other items safe in case it spills. Moving to the left side of the bag, we added 2 top entry pockets, perfect size for a book and other small items. Last but not least, to keep your dirty clothes organized while traveling, we have included a laundry bag. This bag easily expands and hangs on a doorknob so that you have somewhere to put your dirty clothes. And when your trip is over and your laundry bag is full, just zip it up and put it back in your bag to wash when you get home. So, after all the blood, sweat, and tears put into this bag, we hope that you are as excited about it as we are. We are confident that it will be the perfect companion to your nomadic lifestyle. Whether you are flying on a plane or just going away for the weekend in your car, this bag will help you spend less time fussing with your luggage and more time enjoying your travels.